if you ever need to connect your laptop to watch movies at the hospitals, if they got DirecTV, you have to request a remote. Once you get this remote, you can go to channel 132 for HDMI 2 and 133 for HDMI 1. And then there's another way also, just in case the channels are rearranged. This TV input is not going to work. Doesn't matter which, uh, wherever you place it, AV1, AV2, or DirecTV. So let's see. Let me add it up. I'm gonna cut it and ask my wife. 1 second. So the second way, um, like I said previously, you're not able to change the source here on TV input. So you will go to menu, and then you scroll down to general, and then go to the right and select input here, and then you can select HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or the DirecTV.